Okay. What I would like to say about Raj Kapoor, he's like the eternal icon of the film industry. He's the person who's been responsible in so many ways for making this the industry that we are so enjoying today. He's been a very close friend to my father, and he's been an inspiration to, I think, 2-3 generations. So what can we say? Raji, may your soul rest in peace. Thank you for doing all what you've done for the film industry.
Watch him all month long on Z Cinema.
Oh, watch him all month long on Z Cinema.
Woo!
भाई गिरेगा भाई गिरेगा
3 बजे उसको विंस्टन को बोला
चले बस हो गया भाई
तो गौती का कमी बता सो क्या हो रहा है मैंजी
get late there in the morning.
I just need to take something.
From what? अरे हाँ हाँ हाँ. Okay, we'll meet you outside. चल.
Okay, Sohail.
Thanks, man.
See you tomorrow. Right here.
काटना काटा
Sir. Sir.
पिक्चर नहीं देख रहे?
नहीं साफ ले ना
DCP साहब
ठीक है.
चल बेटा हो गया चल बस
Bye, bye.
Thank you.
Bye, bye.
Thank you.
चलो
Thank you.
ओम गाड़ी निकालो
रिएक्शन क्या था?
आप अंदर जाके देखिए, सब लोग हंस रहे हैं, सब लोग मौज मस्ती कर रहे हैं, धमाल है अंदर.
थैंक यू
All right.
Personally, who was the favorite character?
No. Personally, all of them my favorite characters. Of course, I love Sanju bhai, but you know, all of them are done superb jobs, fantastic jobs.
Thank you. And your upcoming project, tell me a little bit about that. Thank you.
Acha,
Just a small bite.
where is
Just a small bite.
what's Chuman's channel now?
Now it's Z Cinema. We just want a small bite on Mr. Raj Kapoor, sir.